What's up guys, welcome to 2H16. Today, we're gonna be installing a steering wheel that I got for the BMW M4. Are you guys ready? Paddle shifters as well. Look at these things. Freaking fantastic. I'm sure you've seen the ugly stock steering wheel. And I don't know, it's just getting a little boring in my opinion. So we're gonna spice it up and go ahead and add this baby in there. Oh my God, I cannot wait for this thing. So not change the plans, but it got dark as you guys can see, so we had to run and grab some lights so we could finish this install video because, I mean, I wanted to wait till tomorrow, but I also didn't, so I was like, let's go get lights and we'll figure it out. So now, we're gonna remove the steering wheel, and all we need to do is, I've never done this before, so I have no clue like how to do it, but just stick it in there and then it should pop out, I guess. Okay. So now, we just gotta disconnect. Bro, call me the Incredible Hulk. Like, what are you talking about? Can't nobody do it like me? Alright, so we're gonna get the steering wheel out, then we're gonna change all the internals over. Then you're gonna take your screwdriver and then you're just gonna basically pry these in here. It's like a flathead, and just remove these two, and then the steering wheel should come off. So for this steering wheel, basically, it is like a replica of the V2, but it's literally the exact same spec. The only difference too is that you just have to move over your airbag plate and just pop it on this one. That's like the major difference. This one doesn't come with it. Oh, it was good. Okay guys, so we got everything done and ready to go. The steering wheel is so nice. We're gonna have to do a montage of it. We could probably do it at Speedway because it'll be a lot of lighting. If not, we'll just wait till tomorrow and do one. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install this real quick. It was actually a pain in the butt and I will never do this again, but we're not gonna tell anybody that, so. Okay, airbag is in. And we're good. Woo! We're good. I'm gonna move the car, but I'm just gonna talk to you guys right now because who cares? We just installed the steering wheel for the M4. It is a replica of the V2, and if you guys do want it, I'm gonna link the description down below. You can guys go ahead and pick it up. Very, in my opinion, cheap versus the ones that they do sell it for. But if you want to see more videos like this, again, we're gonna start posting content very quickly, very soon. I promise you guys. We have videos in the work. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. We're gonna post more daily. Not daily, I'll take that back. We're gonna post more. But yeah, it's been 2H16 and we're out. Peace.